How to cash out your stocks on Cash App in 2025. So here's the full step-by-step tutorial. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Launch your Cash App and tap on the Investing tab at the bottom of your screen. Step 2. Scroll down through your investments and then select the stock that you want to sell. And then step 3, click the sell button and then choose the amount that and you can either sell a custom amount or the full balance of that stock that you have. And then step 4, review the details and confirm the transaction. The money from the sale will appear in your Cash App balance. And then step 5, to withdraw the money that you gain through the selling, you can go to back to your balance and then tap cash out and send it directly to your linked bank account or debit card. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.